Hello everyone, welcome to this video. We made this video based on a subscriber's request. He wanted to establish a backtest. A buy signal is triggered when the advisor and investor model indicator exceeds 0.1 and the ratio of the closing price to the moving average is below 1.01. The position will be sold after 84 trading bars have elapsed. This is an effective strategy, and we will show you the detailed steps of the backtest. You can use the same method to create a similar backtest. Now, let's take a look at the step-by-step demonstration. To get started, select SPX as your symbol and keep the other options as default, or you can adjust the other parameters based on your strategy. Under Entry Criteria, change Single Condition in the upper right corner to SameBar Multi-Condition. Then, set score to 2. This means that a buy signal will only be triggered when both Condition 1 and Condition 2 are met. Go to Condition 1 to enter the first entry condition. Click on the Type drop-down menu and choose Sentiment Indicator. Then, move to the Indicator drop-down menu, select the AIM, and then choose Cross Above 0.1. Click the Condition 2 tab, select the symbol OHLCV and select Symbol Calls, and then choose 21-day period MA ratio less than 1.01. Under Exit Criteria, set the time in market to 84 bars. This can control the risk of trading and avoid the uncertainty caused by holding for too long. Once that's all set, hit the Run Backtest button to start the analysis. After it completes, you'll automatically be taken to the Results tab, showcasing the outcomes. We hope you enjoyed learning how to backtest the sentiment indicator and the price deviation using weekly data. This is a powerful tool that can help you gain a market edge. Thank you for watching the video, and if you have any questions or feedback, please email us at admin@sentimenttrader.com.